To start your pumpkin, grab your 50mm wooden ring and your 12 cords cut at 34 inches. Using one of your cords, you're going to measure approximately 7.5 inches down and attach it to your wooden ring, tying a reverse lark's head knot. You do want to make sure that your cord is approximately 7.5 inches on one side. This is going to be your filler cord, where the longer will be your working cord. Take your next cord and do the exact same thing, attaching it to your wooden ring, tying a reverse lark's head knot. And again, making sure both center cords are the cords that hang at 7.5 inches long. For this part, I do like to take a tack and just tack the center filler cords. You could also use tape, whatever is easiest for you. Next, you're going to grab your outside working cords and you are going to tie a square knot around your filler cords. This is a little quicker video. If you're not sure how to do the square knot based off of this, I do have a full tutorial for it on my page that I will link in the comments. Once you have tied your first square knot, you are going to tie a total of 11 square knots all the way down your filler cords. And this is what it will look like once you have completed your 11 square knots. You will then repeat those exact steps 5 more times for a total of 6 sections with 11 square knots in each section. And you will want to remember to make sure that your filler cords are hanging at 7.5 inches. That way you do not run out of your working cord. And this is what it's going to look like once you completed all 6 sections. I am going to flip it around so that way the lark's head knot is on the center on the inside. Grab the cord that you're going to use for your stem and cut one piece of cord approximately 45 inches long. And now we are going to work on closing up your pumpkin. You will grab each 6 sections and you're going to fold them upwards. You do want to make sure that your square knot does align up next to the other square knot as you fold these in together. This will help keep your pumpkin even and it makes it a lot easier to tie your gathering knot to secure your pumpkin closed. Once you have all 6 sections gathered up, go ahead and just make any adjustments you need to so that way none of the cords are folding in on each other. And then you're going to flip it upside down, grab your cord that you cut for the stem, and you are going to start your gathering knot. You will want to start wrapping it at the base of the last square knot. And I wrapped mine approximately 10 to 12 times. And again, if you do not know how to do this gathering knot, I will link it in the comments with a full step-by-step tutorial for this. Once you have secured your gathering knot, take your scissors and trim up the gathering knot cords from the top and the bottom. I like to tuck it in just so it's not noticeable. And carefully trim all of the orange cord that is hanging out at the top of your stem. Next, go ahead and fluff out any of those 6 sections, making any adjustments that are needed, and you have just made your macrame pumpkin. This is such a fun, easy DIY craft for your home, and it would look super cute if you actually had a battery tea light that you could just place right on the inside of your pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you love macrame as much as I do, hit that like and subscribe button for more tutorials to come.